We are going to show you how we go from the ground floor to a fully functional LEGO Robotics elevator. This week is Architecture Week at Sprattronics Learning Lab. Architecture is the art and science of designing and building structures. Your challenge this week is to use LEGO Robotics to design and construct an elevator that takes our minifigures from low to high. We are using Legos, LEGO Spike Essential or Prime, and even the new LEGO Education Science and Computer Science kits to accomplish this goal. There are a few components that you're going to need to consider as you build this elevator. You are probably going to need some string for this project. String will represent the steel cables that are used in modern traction elevators. Next, the car or lift is where your cargo will be held. This is the part of the elevator that people get on to go up or down. Finally, you are going to need a drum, something to wrap our cable around as the elevator goes up or down. In the elevator engineering world, this is called a sheave. Here is your challenge. Give it a try on your own before we show you what we created. Our Spike Essential build uses a motor attached to our drum. The drum has the string attached to it. The other end of the string is attached to our lift. We can control this elevator using a color sensor to tell the motor to lift up or lower our car. Using Spike Prime, we were able to construct a larger drum and cargo hold. Using the buttons on the hub allows us to control our elevator. Next, we built this with the new LEGO Education Robotics kits. We use a single motor to control our drum to make our elevator go up and down. Our lift has multiple people, all facing the same direction and not talking inside the elevator. We can use the remote control to tell this robot to pull our elevator up or down, or a nifty feature with this wireless kit is we can put a color sensor right on the elevator so any user can use it no matter how far away from the motor you are. Good luck with this challenge, and we want you to share what you created. What was easy about this challenge and what was hard? Be sure to follow Sprattronics for more fantastic robotics challenges. I'm Preston with Sprattronics Learning Lab. If you enjoyed doing our Architecture Week challenge, building an elevator that goes up and down, you'll love our Alexander Miles challenge. He's the inventor of automatic opening and closing doors to keep people from falling down elevator shafts. Check it out.